everyone, myself Rajpirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Patients are dying due to lack of oxygen. When any corona patient or any other patient need it, government and other agencies are trying to fulfill the demand of oxygen for the people. In some places there are no lack of oxygen, but in most of the state there is a lack of oxygen. People who are financially sound can help administration in this regard if they know about oxygen concentrator and its ability. Let us have some points about it. On April 28, the Government of India announced it will produce on a lack of oxygen concentrators are distributed in high burden state as an alternative to depleting resources of liquid medical oxygen. A scarcity of cylinder has also pushed concentrator market. Earlier, a supplementary medical equipment at the forefront for home isolated patient and moderate patient in hospital, but using the correct specification is important. Only mild, moderate and moderate ill patient who have an oxygen starvation level between 1994 would and should depend on an oxygen concentrator and can use at home because there is a scarcity of oxygen. Even those with oxygen level as low as 85 can opt for one. Anyone with oxygen saturation depleting below 80 to 85 may need higher flow of oxygen and will have to switch to the cylinder or liquid medical oxygen supply. Say if a person oxygen saturation is 87 to 90, he is put on oxygen concentrator. If the oxygen saturation rises and maintains between 92 to 94, that means the concentrator is able to help. But if patient oxygen saturation continues to deplete, that means we will need to switch to a cylinder with a higher oxygen flow or get hospitalized. An inflamed lung infected by COVID-19 is unable to use atmospheric air that has 21% oxygen to draw enough oxygen. Internal oxygen support makes the job easier for lungs. Also, steady electricity supply is must. If you live in a place with a frequent power cut, you may want to look for oxygen cylinder. There are two types: continuous follow and pulse dose. Continuous follow oxygen will provide that same follow of oxygen every minute unless it is turned off irrespective of further patient is breathing it in or not. While pulse dose oxygen concentrator defected and detected breathing pattern and dispensation oxygen. When it detects inflation, the oxygen dispensed per minute will vary in second phase. A physician advice is necessary to decide how many liter per minute of oxygen is required. A pulse oximeter should be handy. Oxygen concentrator can supply between 0.1 liter per minute. LPM to 5 to 10 lpm. A concentrator has 90 to 95% pure oxygen. A lightweight device weighing less than 27 kg is recommended. Oxygen concentrators are available 3, 5, 8 and 10 lpm units. Most common is a 3 or 5 lpm. A 10 lpm can be used for two patients who have low oxygen requirement. A 5 lpm will cost 40,000 to 60,000. 10 LPM can cost up to 1.60 lakh. Philips BPL Medical Technology Limited in Care. Airceps Corporation, SS Technology C, OSHOCORP Global, PVT Limited, Metrodinic, Eisen, Indeng Medical, Chart Industry are some common imposters and manufacturer in India. Who you can search oxygen concentrator on hire in Asansol on the basis of your location, popularity rating, and a review on justification to get the best offer from business listed with jurisdiction. Click on the best deal tab beside listing and fill up the requirements. Business will contact with their best offer. You can negotiate with them. You can now chat with the businesses and get multiple quotes in a jiffy on the JD Android and iOS app. The rental charge may vary approximately from 2500 to 4,000 per month.
Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll free number 1800 258 7060.
Vikash Prasad, Santodia. Crowd of people were seen at the Harmandi Block Medical Center on Monday to take a second dose of vaccine to prevent corona. There was a lack of a social distance among the people while many people were seen cursing the system. However, no one come forward to speak. According to the information, people were given Convalescent and Covishield vaccine at Bhartodia Primary Health Center under Nituria block last March, and they were called to take the second dose after 28 days. Motion Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center 9434822278. In mid-stage of election result in Bengal, the government said there is no place for violence in a democracy. Governor Jagdeep Dhankar has tweeted that respecting the mandate is a democracy. He said that violence has no place in democracy. In such a situation, he has also asked the Bengal police to take necessary steps to maintain peace. Sensation spread in the area on Monday morning when a bomb was found in the Tarbagan area under the uprooted outpost of Andal police station. ECL worker Sanjay Paswan alleged there, a resident of Bamtar Bagan, was found in the house. According to sources, Sanjay Paswan was eating food by placing a bomb on a table in his house. Meanwhile, the locals saw Sanjay Paswan eating food with a bomb on the table and informed the police Incidents of political violence are coming to the fore in the various parts after the announcement of result of assembly election. Tension is spread in Jamitsa, Taltod, Manjipada. Since Sunday night, some youths from the area are attacked various houses, bombed and also bombed the house of Trinamool Congress supporter in Manjipada on Monday morning. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has announced a new grading policy for Class 10 examination cancelled for the academic season 20 to 21 due to corona. Under the new marks policy announced by CBSE, 10th class student will be given 20 marks out of 100 in each subject on the basis of the internal assignment and 80 marks on the basis of the examination and test conducted during the season. After the victory of Trinamool Congress, the BJP office at GT Road, Asansol was vandalized. After the receiving the information, the police reached the spot and calmed down the matter. According to the sources, vandalism and errors are taking place in the BJP office at some places in the celebration of Trinamool's victory in the Asansol North Assembly election, including the entire state. Since then, panic has spread among BJP supporters. Every year, May 3rd is observed as a World Press Freedom Day. According to the UNESCO, the day dedicated to freedom to press under sources need for governments and people across the world to respect their commitment to press freedom, and is also a day of reflection among media professionals about issues of press freedom and professional entities. World Press Freedom Day is a day of showing solidarity with journalists, photojournalists, and all associated with the media who brave the foulest confidence to disseminate information and bring news from across the whole world, the homes of people. On World Press Freedom Day, let us remember those journalists who lost their lives in the pursuit of a story. The Director General of UNESCO, Audrey Zole, in Macedon World Press Freedom Day said the theme of this year's World Press Freedom Day, information as a public good, underlines the indisputable importance of verified and reliable information. It calls attention to the essential role for freedom, the professional journalist, in producing and dismantling the information by talking misinformation and other harmful content. Key thing to know about World Press Freedom Day 2021 on UNESCO step to ensure the economic visibility of news media, mechanism for ensuring transparency of internet companies, enhance media and information library MIL capacities that enable people to recognize the value as well as defend the demand journalism as a vital part of information as a public good. Following lines of Ramdhari Singh Dinkar is suitable here on this day. Incidence of corona has increased at a massive rate in the entire West Bardhaman district, including Asansol industrial area. The number of victims is also increasing. For that reason, for two bus owner association announced to stop running big buses and minibus in the Asansol Industrial Area for more days. On Monday, the day organization letter to West Bardhaman district magistrate Anurag Srivastava and the Regional Transport Officer RTO informationing them of decision. Mamata Banerjee head is going to crown Chief Minister for the third time after winning the 2021 Assembly election by the overwhelming majority on Monday. A meeting of the winning MLA was held at the party office at Taposia, in which he has been elected the leader the legislative party. This information was given by the Partha Chatterjee, General Secretary of Trinamool Congress and outgoing Education Minister, who has registered a victory from Behla West. Nitin Singhania, IAS Commissioner, Asansol Municipal Corporation and CEO, Asansol Durgapur Development Authority, in a virtual meeting with various chambers, was requested by the Jamuria Chamber to sanitize the Jamuria market in view of the served nature of corona pandemic. Keeping this in mind, Asansol Municipal Corporation started the sanitization campaign of Jamuria Bazaar from 9 a.m. Today, sanitization was done from the spare cart of the corporation. Now let us hear Erasmus from New. Pray as thou everything dependent on God, work as thou everything dependent on you. Saint Augustine.